Right, friends, I am so excited to share these with you guys. You just don't even know. You don't know how hard I worked yesterday to get these all together, and I love how they turned out. So this is what the bundle looks like, all packaged up. You've got a big one full of the single cards. You've got the small one full of the card set, and then a little thank you card on top. So all of these cards together, including the thank you card, equals 15 cards. So let me show you how it looks. So everyone got a gingerbread, and almost everyone got a one that's on Action Wobble. So these aren't exactly what you're gonna get, but this is exactly what someone's gonna get. Because I still have to finish packing this one up. So it's just a mix of different Christmas cards. There are some other occasion cards here or there. It's basically every single card that I had in my inventory, and now they are going to a good home. So let me put these in. So I'll throw in a picture of how we did this. Rob did help a little bit. I just made bundles. We started with the big card first, and then figured out how many we could do from there. So there's the 9 separate ones, and then here is the 5. This just happens to be this one, but all of the card sets that you saw in my shop last year have been just taken out of their plastic boxes. Do I have one right here? I thought I did. No, I just took them out of their plastic boxes and we put them in here. So it'd be a little easier and cost efficient to ship to you. So in the US, okay, so let's talk pricing. I'm gonna start with US first. I will ship international into Canada. We'll talk about that in just a second. If you are in the US, one bundle will be $35, and that includes shipping. So you're getting 15 cards and shipping for $35. Works out to about $2 a card. If you want 2 bundles, because you can buy more than one, and you are sending these to the same address, it'll be $60. However, if you're buying 2 bundles and you want them to go to separate addresses, like if you want to send this to a friend as a gift, it'll be $65. So $60 if they're both coming to you, $65 if one's coming to you and one is going to someone else. I can ship these to someone else's address. Like if you want to buy one and send it as a gift to someone else and it's going to the US, it'll be $35. Just let me know. So this is what the bundle looks like, and I'm so excited for it. Okay, so one more time. $35 in the US for one, $60 for 2 if it's coming to the same address, $65 for 2 if they're going to 2 separate addresses. And I will have this information linked in the description box down below. Canada, your turn. So a bundle is going to cost you $60. This is right around about 10 or 11 ounces. To Canada, that's almost $25. So for one bundle, it's $60, and that includes shipping. So the whole entire thing is $60. If you want more than one, and it's coming to your address, it'll be $110. So same thing as in the US, it'll be $10 less. And we can ship 2 to you as long as they're coming to the same address. If you are someone in Canada and you want one for you and one for someone else, it'll be $60 for yours, $35 for the other. So again, if you're in Canada, $60 for one bundle, $110 if it's coming to the same address. International, we're gonna $35 base price. So the kit is $35, and then you will send me your full address and postal code, etc., and I will get you an exact quote. It's going to be expensive, and I thank you in advance if you buy them. But again, $35 is the base price, and so yeah. So yeah. Ooh, so if you buy these, I really do appreciate it. As I mentioned in the intro, or I hope I mentioned in the intro, of course I'm filming this before I film that, I am someone who likes to sell things in order to buy things. So proceeds from this sale will go toward the bundles that I hope to start hopefully in July, but maybe the 1st of August. So it'll be like buying mailers and all sorts of things, paper, etc. So yeah, so again, $35 US for one, $60 for two if going to the same address, $65 if not. If you want to send one to a friend, you know, $35, $35. If you're in Canada, $60 US, and then $110 if you want two coming to Canada. If you want to do one coming to you and one going to the US, then it'll be $95. And then international, base price of $35. And of course, you guys are responsible for taxes, duties, customs, all of that. I hate that you guys have to go through that, but I don't control the politics of the world. So anyway, that's it. Okay, so you're gonna email me at TheJollyFatElf@gmail.com with how many that you want and the shipping address or addresses. I'm gonna send you a PayPal invoice and you pay that. Again, I always give you guys 24 hours to pay, and then we ship same day or next day. So it'll be pretty quick. I already have the mailers for these. So, and they're already all bundled up. So I literally only have to put this or however many in a mailer and get a label on it and get it out the door. So again, email me at TheJollyFatElf@gmail.com with the number of bundles you want and the address or addresses. I will send you an invoice. You have 24 hours to pay. And yeah, and we'll get it out to you. So thank you again in advance if you purchase. I really do appreciate it. But again, never feel like you have to purchase in order to support me. Leaving a comment, liking the video, sharing it, all of those things really does help. And again, and thank you so much. I will have everything listed in the description box down below. I appreciate you guys so very much. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.